Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, School Morning Assembly Anchoring Script for Buddha Purnima, which is on 16th of May. Every experience, no matter how bad it seems, holds within it a blessing of some kind. The goal is to find it by Gautam Buddha. With this lovely quote of Gautam Buddha, a very hearty morning to one and all present here. And this is Meenakshi Chaudhary from class 8. Welcome you all in today's morning assembly. Today is Buddha Purnima, which is the biggest day for all Buddhists and Hindus all over the world. And this year, mean 2022, will mark Lord Buddha's 2584th birth anniversary. And this is that day when Lord Buddha was born to save the people and disseminate the message of equality, unity, and cosmic love everywhere. Before we start, I wish you all a very happy Buddha Purnima. Let's get ready for prayer. As Buddha Purnima celebration is all about praying with the purest of feelings and adopting what Buddhism stands for: peace, non-violence, and harmony. Everybody join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, today we are celebrating Buddha Purnima, the day which marks the birth, enlightenment, and Mahaparinirvan of Gautam Buddha, whose life and deeds contain powerful messages. Dear friends, thoughts and ideas go further through action. What does Buddha thoughts and views teach us? Next, I would like to invite on stage Govind from class 8 for today's thought. My name is Govind. Today's thought is: do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. By Lord Buddha. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Thank you very much, Govind. Buddha Purnima is a major festival celebrated with great pomp and fervor in many countries. Many Hindus believed Buddha to be the ninth incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Let us know more about Gautam Buddha on his birth anniversary. I would like to invite on stage Manika from class 8 to deliver a speech on this special occasion. Thank you very much, Manika. Siddhartha Gautam, the founder of Buddhism, who later became known as the Buddha, born into a wealthy family as a prince, but was moved by suffering in the world. I would like to invite on stage Mrs. Anya ma'am to express her views regarding the life of Gautam Buddha and the importance of non-violence. Thank you very much, ma'am, for this knowledgeable speech. Radiate boundless love towards the entire world by Buddha. And it means that if we truly love ourselves, we could never hurt other, and we should love the whole world as a mother loves her child. Dear friends, Buddha Purnima is a very special day for all of us. It is like a festival for all over the world. Buddha hi Buddha hai is a very famous song or bhajan on Gautam Buddha. And next I would like to invite on stage Preet from class 8 to present this song. Thank you very much, Preet, for this nice bhajan. Now we are at the end. For us students, Buddha Purnima is a great day to understand the life journey of a young boy who had all the luxuries of life and yet chose to seek enlightenment and help the world. And with this, now everybody get ready for national anthem. And after national anthem, thank you very much to all of you for your cooperation. Have a nice day ahead.